Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm just finished cleaning up underneath the kitchen sink. It's just a very quick little motivation perhaps, or just a maybe entertainment or something like that. I don't know, but it is not a huge thing. It is not, I haven't organized wonderfully and everything like that. I've just done a very quick, very simple clean under the kitchen, take everything out, clean and what have you. I hope you like it. So let me know what you've got underneath your kitchen sink. I have an assortment of cleaning stuff and poisons and sprays and you name it. This is just me taking out absolutely everything in fast mode. I don't think that you'd need to see this in really slow motion. It is a bit jagged. I've got my 11-year-old daughter being the cameraman and that's, yeah, she couldn't stand still. So now I'm just going in with a multi-purpose cleaner in a spray bottle and spraying everywhere and wiping down and cleaning as much as I can in all the grooves. Now I'm just going in with a vacuum cleaner as the frame of the doors are made of wood and they're starting to get very soft and splintery, so the vacuum cleaner helps to get into all those little grooves of the frame, as well as all the bits and pieces which I may have missed with my cloth. So now for the sorting. This is my most favorite part. I absolutely love sorting things, but I also hate it because I have to figure out what do I keep, what do I throw. My bin was so dirty I even had to clean it with a vacuum cleaner. really, really, really tackling. And I ended up throwing it away anyway. So now I'm just getting my mixes ready for the bottles. The one is a concentration all-purpose cleaner, and the other bottle is filled with half vinegar, half water. That one I particularly use for windows and mirrors and general cleaning and general rinsing all over the house. It actually works brilliantly. There you have it. I know everything that is underneath my kitchen sink, and